This is the Hubbell HBL2711 Insel grip plug. It's a nylon body plug. You can see it's 3-pole, 4-wire grounding. It's 30 amp, 125, 250 volt AC. It's a twist-lock. It's got a really nice, solid feeling nylon body. And let me show you some of the features of it I really like. So we pull that apart. First of all, you see the polycarbonate terminal housings there. Nice and solid, pretty rugged. Let me get close up in there. Very well built, very solid. I'll show you those prongs. Okay. And this has a good strain relief too. Take these screws out. Take a look at the strain relief. You see the strain relief kind of clamps down on your plug. It's got a guide here for that strain relief to slide into. So once it has a bite on your plug, that's really going to take the strain off of that assembly. And also you've got a little boot there to keep some dust and contamination out of your wire there. Now specifications say that it handles 16 to 8 gauge stranded copper wire. Copper wire only, they're saying. Assembly screws are steel nickel plated. As I said before, it's got a real nice solid feel to it. I'm going to give it a little squeeze there. It does have a little bit of flex, but man, I don't think that's going anywhere. I think that's going to give you a lot of good service life to it. And one of my favorite things about this product is, see it on the box, made in the good old US of A. So we got there, Hubbell HBL2711. I think you could do a lot worse with something else. Give it a try. I think you'll be pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching.